Hello everyone, it's Brian again. Today is day 26 of the 90-day trading experiment with using AI, chatbots to guide my investing simulator. Today we're not going over, of course, the portfolio performance yet because yesterday was a non-trading day. However, what we're going after though is our pre-market trading plan. And then let's get at it one by one. So begin with is with Claude. So the decision here today is to actually sell our only one share of NVIDIA stock. And the reason of here why we're Claude justified doing that so is because Nasdaq was already down almost 1% in the pre-market and all across like the board. And there's also a very, very high bar to clear for its earnings as per CNBC. And if the earnings disappoint, there's a huge risk that Nvidia could crash 10 to 15%, which is quote unquote a very, very huge risk due to a risky binary event, according to Claude. Additionally, the AI disruption fears are structural and not temporary, as according to multiple different magazines quoted by Claude. So that is why we're generally going to be selling our Nvidia stock. For GPT today and also for Gemini, it's going to be holding the existing positions. For GPT, there's no reason to exit here because the current gains is only around $0.16, and there's just not sufficient condition to deploy that $768 over since the market quote unquote just pulled back last week. So we want to really just confirm the strength before adding more risk. And for Gemini, last but not least, we have Gemini, which states that all of these stocks are currently in the strong position and riding the wave, either the manufacturing turnaround or positioning for an insane quote unquote black whale demand in Feb 25th earnings for Nvidia, which is interesting because it sort of contrasts with what Claude said. And it's also betting on VST and Amazon to continually ride the institutional upgrades and also reacceleration of AWS. So that's it for today. In terms of the strategy wise, let me know in the comments if you think that any of these chatbots are, providing great comments or like terrible comments. But anyways, remember to subscribe and follow if you're interested in these 90-day challenge experiment.